All right, good afternoon, friends and family. Good to come your way again today. In our series, today is the third edition. We're talking how to start and grow a career in real estate with little or no experience. Even if you have never done it before, this is for you. You just considering starting real estate for the first time, this is for you. Go through our video, you will see the first edition, third edition, and all that. Each of the edition will do about 3 points. 3 skills that you need to be able to start. So today we are going to be talking about the next 3. So for number 1 today, we're going to find the right brokerage firm. That means find the right real estate company. A real estate company that you know that can help you or hold your hands on your journey to becoming a real estate professional. Real estate company that have training opportunities, and of course, networking opportunities and all those things. So look for a reputable real estate company that can offer you all those platforms, so that can really help you to be able to grow well as a professional in the industry. So look for a good brokerage firm, a good real estate firm with integrity. Remember, with integrity, they can teach you well. So number 2 for today is start small. Start small. Don't just because what you have read online or what you have seen on social media. Some people just hammer and get billions of naira in real estate transactions. Start small. So always count baby steps, in real estate, so that you will eventually grow big. If you start small, starting small, what I mean is that maybe you start from selling properties that within your network or within people you can reach, than wanting to sell to senators and presidents and governors. You might not have that immediate access for now, but if you start selling to maybe bankers, people this and that, the mediums to to high income earners, that can help you to start learning on the rope, and before eventually you start hiring to the high network individuals. So start small and grow big. Number 2 for today. Then number 3, leverage technology. I can't emphasize it enough. We're in the technological era, so leverage technology. Use your phone. You can't do this business now without a smartphone. I'm sorry to say, you need a smartphone to be effective and to grow in this business. So post whatever you're doing, be it in facility, real estate management, marketing, development. Post what you do online. Utilize all the social media platform, your WhatsApp groups, where all you belong to. So leverage technology. If you do that, that will give you a boost and even a faster way to be able to becoming a real estate professional. So as I recap again today for the 3 points. Number 1, look for a good real estate brokerage firm that you can be able to work with. Number 2, start small and grow big. And number 3, leverage technology. So if you follow these things methodologically, I'm telling you that you're just on your pathway to becoming a real estate professional. So if you find this thing interesting, please hit the subscribe button, make a comment, and hit the notification, so that anytime we post video on this channel, you're going to be able to be among the first to do so. And also invite your friends to follow and watch and learn as you are doing that. So God bless you. See you next time.